Hello and welcome back, my Atlanteans. Okay, so I'm really excited for today's video because I got a Kaya heart here for us to open up together. When I tell you guys, I am so excited for her. The first time she was ever like announced and released, I've wanted her since then and I finally got her for my birthday. I'm so excited. She's so cute to me. I understand that there's a lot of controversies with her. A lot of people don't like her, but for me personally, she's like one of my favorites. I mean, I was a little unsure about her outfits when I first saw it, but then like the more I looked at her, the more I was like, I feel like I need her. Like, she's so pretty. Alrighty, so looking straight at the box here, this is our first special edition doll. So they weren't really experimenting too hard with her box. So it's kind of in like the standard rainbow high box situation. You can see that she's like in the test tube, like the actual doll is in the test tube part. We can see it says rainbow high in gold on the side, and it says watch on YouTube. And then on the other side of the front of the box, you can see her entire second outfit. And I love that even the special edition dolls are coming with second outfits. Like, that's so cool. The main thing to note about this box is that we've got this ribbon all over it. I remember when I first saw it, I was like, is that caution tape? I guess it's just a gold ribbon that says rainbow high in black letters. You can see that the bottom box is a heart shape. I feel like she's Valentine's Day inspired. I think that's what she was supposed to be at first, but I think personally, maybe not. We'll have to see when I take her out. And we've got the special edition sticker. And then at the bottom, you can see everyone that's in the first series of Rainbow High dolls with Kaya Heart kind of smack dab in the middle. And here we can see Kaya Heart's little name thingy. She doesn't have a series. She just has a heart, right? Yeah, she just has a heart. You can see her little color strip is like iridescent. I mean, I don't remember if the others were iridescent. It is the older style box, so on the other side you can't see like what her focus. But on the back, we get a very special illustration of Kaya, complete first outfit, and we get a little blurb here. Kaya is the matchmaker at Rainbow High who always tells it like it is, whether she's matching the perfect fashion pieces together or finding a special someone for one of her friends. Maybe she is just Valentine's Day inspired, because like the Lunar New Year doll came out and she's allowed to just be the Lunar New Year doll. She doesn't need a color. So anyway, yes, that is everything. That is the box. Otherwise, it is all completely in that iridescent cardboard. I'm gonna take Kaya out of the box and then we're gonna take a closer look at everything that she comes with, okay? So here is Kaya right outside of the box. She does come with the usual Rainbow High thing. She's got a sparkly pink Rainbow High stand, base, and cone. And she also comes with the usual Rainbow High hangers and pan hangers. It's not in the newer style, unfortunately, but that is okay. Now taking a look at Kaya, So taking a look at Kaya herself, oh my god, she is literally so beautiful. Her face is exquisite. I think this is like the newer version, if you know what I mean, because I think her first release, her face was like pretty shiny, like it was like that iridescent kind of sheen that the first Rainbow High series had, but it's like more like glittery, not as glittery as the Rainbow High Winter Break dolls, but it's not as iridescent as the first series. Her hair is super gel. Her sides are crusty dusty, but I gotta say, like, the pink and then the like pastel rainbow blend in between her little like strands of hair is like really pretty. I'm really excited to wash her out because I really want to see what she looks like at the end. But her hair is that usual high quality nylon that Rainbow High uses in the Fallout. So her hair is styled with like these two braids on top and it's tied at the back. We got two little hair clips. They're both gold. One of them says XOXO and the other one says love. As for her makeup, she's so stinking pretty. Oh my god. I think most of the controversy was about how like her eyeshadow like reaches her eyebrow, but I don't know. I really like that. I don't know. I think that's really pretty, and I think the way that they did their her eyeshadow was really pretty as well. She's got a little beauty mark right underneath her nose on her cheek, and she's got like these really pale pink lips, which I think is the only thing I don't prefer, but it's painted on really well. Like, I'm not even mad at it. Like, I know a lot of people don't like that, but I really like it. And she had the brown eyes, which I think is really pretty. She's got these dangly earrings, very, very nice. We've got like a red gem, and it's like bamboo. Can I call it bamboo looking? And one side says rainbow, and the other side says rainbow. So her first outfit, she's wearing this short sleeve or like quarter length hoodie. It's just a white hoodie, and then it says, I love you, but I've chosen fashion. I don't know what this is a reference to, but I like it. We got two little drawstrings that seem to actually work, and their little eglets are heart-shaped, and it's made out of like a whole other material, so that's really cool. And then her undershirt is like this checkerboard cropped long sleeve, and there's like little bits of rainbow squares that are on her sleeves and her shoulders. Is there anything on the back? It's kind of the same as the front. I think this would be really versatile for like any of the characters. So for her little pantaloons, she's wearing these like iridescent silver shiny denim jeans. They're very detailed. I love this piece. So you can see that all of the details are stitched on with like yellow thread. She's got a black belt with a little heart-shaped buckle. We got hearts that are printed on, they're just red, and very faintly we've got white XOXOs also. Oh no, there's one on her hip, and then there's one here that says I love you, mean it. And then we got an XOXO on her calf. Hanging from one of her pockets, we got this little heart-shaped charm, really cute. And these are functional pockets. And then on the back, I love this, got two little patches that are sewn onto the back. They both say XO in red. For her shoes, for her first pair of shoes at least, she's wearing these rainbow gradient stilettos, and they're gold underneath, just really puts everything together. But the thing is with these is that they come off like really easily. I mean, of course they're not going to do it on camera, but like they come off kind of easy. So if that's something you're worried about, you could totally like wrap it up in a rubber band or something. Otherwise, yeah, that's kind of like the only situation I have with that. I love her. She's so cute. Her first outfit is very like on trend and like very skateboardy. I think that's her like, that's the thing she's going for. Yeah, so I really like that first outfit. I'm gonna put her into her second outfit real quick. And so here is Kaya in her second outfit. I think this one might be my favorite. I don't know. Okay, so let's get right into this. So she is wearing a full sleeve hoodie. You could see it on the ends here. And it actually wasn't too hard to put on. I think it's supposed to look like acid washed denim, and it's like a denim jacket. There are so many details. Like you can see that like it's all stitched with the yellow thread that the original pair of jeans were threaded with. And then there's like all of these different like patches that are like stitched onto the jacket as well. There's just so much to look at. I love this jacket. There's so much. And then of course on the back we got a little extra sweetheart, and it's actually like embroidered onto the jacket. So this hoodie that she's wearing, it is just a white hoodie, and then says Heartbreaker in the middle with like a little rainbow, and it says Heartbreaker. People are saying that it's an homage to Mariah Carey, but I'm not too into the Mariah Carey scene, so I'm not 100% sure what that means, but I love that Mariah Carey is part of this at all. Like, that's cool. And her little drawstrings are pink, and they do work. She's wearing a pair of pink denim short shorts, and it's stitched with a darker pink thread. All of the little pockets are functional, of course, and I think this might actually be a pocket. Yes. The rhinestones that are glued onto the pants are so pretty. Like, look at how it like glistens. I guess they're high quality rhinestones as well, so I think that's really cool that they were able to add that in as well. Like, there's just so much going on with her. She is wearing like a long sleeve shirt on top of her shorts, like it's tied around her waist, and it's kind of just like a pastel kind of flannel with like iridescent threads as well. It's not an actual shirt, of course, so it would be really nice if we can get those as an actual shirt, but I understand that's a lot more fabric and a lot more effort. And lastly, here are her little shoes. She does also wear like these socks with like hearts in between the stripes. And these shoes are incredible. Like, it's an iridescent kind of plastic, and it's like a soft plastic, of course, and got heart-shaped clasps on the side of it. There's like molded on stitching. The front of it is actually flocked, so it's like fuzzy and it's like a pastel pink, and the freaking heel is a heart shape. Ugh, I love this doll. I mean, I knew I was going to like her, but like seeing her pieces like in person, like I love her so much. So that is basically Kaya Hart here. She's so gorgeous. I'm so happy about her. Like, I love her so much. I've been wanting her forever, and she like did not disappoint at all. So Kaya Hart is about like $50. She does come with like a lot of stuff, but $50 is still a lot. She is a special edition doll, so that could be another reason for the price. She does feel really special though. Like, she comes with like a lot of stuff. She's like super detailed. Her outfits are immaculate. And of course there's like the high quality everything that she comes with. And like, I understand that like it could be a lot to a lot of people, but I think she is like a really good investment if you're really into her. I know that she's a little bit of an acquired taste, so if she's not really your thing, like she's totally cool to like skip over, but in person she is really pretty. I just love the way that they did her makeup. I love the outfits that they chose for her. I just think it suits her so well. I am gonna call her the Valentine's Day doll, because if we're getting a Lunar New Year doll, we're allowed to have a Valentine's Day doll. So that is everything for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you again to my best friend and her family for all of these presents. And thank you so much for Kaya Hart. I am absolutely in love with her. I love her so much. I hope you guys did too. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about Kaya Hart. I want to hear your guys' opinion. And I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye-bye.